Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to find your saved Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you have forgot your Wi-Fi password and if you want to know your saved Wi-Fi password, then I will show you how to find your Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just click on the search, then type your control panel. Click on the control panel. Here you can see view by, click on this, then select as large icons. In this, you need to find network and internet or network or sharing center. You can see network and sharing center. Click on this. Here you will find your Wi-Fi settings. Click on this, your Wi-Fi name. Here you will find wireless property. You have to click on this, then click on security. Here you will find your Wi-Fi password. You have to just tick mark this box and you will find your Wi-Fi password here. That's it guys. So in this way you can find your saved Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.